All right, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's Utopia Seas. Going to give you a quick tour of the Ocean View Balcony Stateroom. It's going to be on 9284. This will be JLP's room, actually. This is his birthday cruise.
Yeah.
So, going on in, right there's the elevators where his people are standing, so not too far away. I'll give you a quick view here. On the map, we are where the red dot is here. Here's the elevator and stairs. So it's not too far off from there. All right, as you walk on into the room, you see the light switch here to the left. And in a newer ship, you have the card that goes into the light switch to keep the lights on. So once again, like I said, we are near the elevator. Like I said, the red dot is us. Here's the elevators and the staircase, so not too far off. Walking on in, on here on the left, you have the bathroom, and you have a, not like the icon class where you have the numbers and stuff in quantum class, but you do have a digital thermostat versus the old dial thermostat. Light switch here for the bathroom. You have your capsule, not the shower curtain, it's more like the a real door on the shower here. Your toilet, 3 shelves here, and your vanity area with a full mirror here. So. Right here on the left-hand side also, you have a full hanging closet, 5 shelves, and a safe here. You do have your Starlink Wi-Fi in the room versus out in the hallway, so you can get a good signal in the stateroom. You'll see that on the newer ships. A couple drawers down here on the bottom. And then as we swing back around, this is a connecting stateroom, so if you have friends with you, you can have 2 staterooms. You can have this door here, connect the staterooms. Also, you have the bed here. You can have it pushed together, separated. You need to state that before we get on the cruise, and the stateroom attendant will format it the way you need. And also, if you, anyways, okay, you have 2 nightstands, 1 on each side, and you have the telephone on this one. Their side will not have the telephone, but you do have a light switch here. The nice thing is you have the USB charging port right there, and also a American style plug-in here. Nice feature also is this switch right here will turn the lights on and off throughout the room. So if you go to bed and you turn the light off, you can do that. So, all right, coming on in, you have your TV here. You have some hanging hooks here, and the TV will swing out from the wall. So if you're sitting over there on the couch or at the desk area, you can see the TV and pull this back here. All right, moving on in. Like I said, you have the same nightstand over here, a little couple storage areas, and then the lamp over here also. You have an additional closet right here. You do have a bar down there that can hang right here. If you need additional storage or hanging area, you can put that in right there, and that gives you additional storage, hanging space. Then you also have your full-size couch right here. This room does have a couch that comes out, so you can actually have additional sleeping area for a 3rd or 4th passenger. All right, you do have a full mirror here, and you'll notice on some of my other, for example, my room this week is the bed is flip-flop. So instead of the bed being over here, you have the bed on this side. So the room is completely flip-flop. So you have the living area over here, as far as the couch and the desk and such, and then the bed is over here. Behind the desk, this desk is movable, so you can move it around the room. You have 2 European plug-ins, 3 American plug-ins, and then 2 of the USBs right here. You have a switch right here for the backlighting of the mirror. Little shelf area here. And next to this, you have your refrigerator right here, and 5 drawers right here. Inside this drawer, you do have your mini bar that you can purchase alcohol and soft drinks, different things like that. And then you also have your breakfast menu, which you can hang out the night before and then put your desired delivery time. And a couple options here. All the continental side here is complimentary. And then you do have a $7.95 per room delivery fee for anything here, which is you just put your quantity of what you want. For example, you want 4 scrambled eggs, you put 4 next to the scrambled eggs, and it will deliver that. And then you have your breakfast menu here for room service, and on the back side you have your additional room service, appetizers, sandwiches, the favorites, and then you have the kids and desserts right there. And there is a $7.95 per room delivery fee for that too. All right, like I said, you have four doors on this side and then the additional door right there. Step on out on the balcony. There is no light on the balcony, but you have a light back here on the frame here, the door frame. So you have your switch over here. So at night you can click that on and that'll give you some light out on the balcony. All right, let's walk out on the balcony. See, we have a small table here, 2 chairs, and then a couple footstools. Like I said, the connecting stateroom. Nice thing here is that you can have your stateroom attendant unlock these doors right here. We're traveling with additional people, and they can open this whole balcony up, so you make it one large balcony. We're in the Port Canaveral, Florida. You got Disney Wish down there. Getting ready to set sail. Utopia is currently doing 3 and 4 night cruises. Give you a quick shot of the stateroom from the balcony. Also, I'd like to invite you to subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and also comment down below if you like what you saw. Do me a favor, hit that like button, and we will see you on the next one.